Are you guys looking for some unique gifts that might make life a little bit better for your clients? Well, I've got the perfect one. How about Life's Better with Pancakes kit? Of course, you thought I said something wrong, didn't you? Ah, gotcha. But our full color label inside is so much fun, and your branding can go on this. And what's really great about this is it can be a group activity. A lot of people are doing this over Zoom even, and people can do it together. All right, so let's see what's inside. You wanna come check out what's inside? This is my cooking assistant, Adia. It's not just pancake mix, you guys. We have all kinds of goodies. They're so much fun. First of all, you're gonna get that hard good that your clients are gonna get to keep. It has the logo here, and then they're gonna keep this in their drawer, and every time they go to make pancakes, guess who they're gonna think of? They're gonna think of you. We have our name brand pancake mix. Bob Red Mill, it's a name people trust, that they love, and it's really good pancakes, right? So we have that buttermilk pancake mix. We have Vermont maple syrup. This is the real deal, you guys. What would make pancakes more fun? And I mean, especially coming from NC Custom, right?
M&M's and chocolate.
M&M's and chocolate, that's right. So we have M&M's that you can add. We've got little chocolate chips. And of course, as always, our kits can be fully customized. So if you want to add maybe peanut butter chips or something else, we can exchange these out. But it's just so much fun, and it's gonna be great to do. So let's make some pancakes. Super easy, right? Ingredients, we're going to do 1 cup of pancake mix, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 1 egg, and 3/4 cup of water. So it's ingredients that everybody has on hand, so you don't have to add those in the kit. Go ahead and set aside your toppings. Makes up a nice golden rim and they start to bubble, and then you know you're ready to flip. All right, our pancakes are almost ready. Plate, 1 chocolate chip pancake for you, and 1 super fun M&M pancake for you. All right, let's get these ones off the griddle too. Maple syrup.
Different ones.
Cheers. Mmm. They're good.
That's one, the delicious one.